Hey guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and I know I have been MIA for a bit. As you can see behind me, I have a lot of boxes. I've been spring cleaning, although it's still winter here, because we are so close to Alaska, and of course the temperature is colder here compared to the rest of Canada. But anyways, it's been snowing hard for 3 days now. The kids are bored already because we are self-isolating due to the coronavirus. Anyways, I started making sourdough starter, and I'm gonna show you the process. I'll see you soon again. Bye.
Equal parts mixed together to create a culture for the wild yeast and the bacteria in your environment. And this right here is the original way bread was made for thousands.
It's bubbly already. It's nice. So how much do we have to take out?
Until it gets to only like 108.
Another 100 and 115. So today's day 3. The smell is very nice, yeasty already, and you can see bubbles. So we're gonna dump some and gonna feed with more flour and water.
Oh, stuff like
Yeah, wow, nice.
okay, it's hard to spoon with this.
Do you need another spoon? So now that we have removed some of the previous day mixture, we're gonna add or feed, as they say, new flour and new water. This is 100 grams of flour, day 4 looks like. We're gonna feed it more. That is another 100 grams and 115 grams. Oh, 100 grams of flour and 100 grams of water. This is day 4. So we already scoop up day 3. So this is day 8. If not day 9. We didn't see the starter to be bubbly much on day 6, and on day 7 we kind of skipped to feed it. No, on day, yeah, so this is day 9, and yesterday day 8 we fed it again, and now it's bubbly like crazy. Think it's salvageable. I think it's good. The smell is also beautiful, like sourdough bread already. The volume also higher than what it was on day 6 or day 7. So yeah, it worked.